In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bonus in Zoho Payroll. As we guide you through this process, our aim is to make it as straightforward and efficient as possible. Let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, you'll need to navigate to the left sidebar of your Zoho Payroll dashboard. Here, you'll find a section labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Settings area, you'll want to choose Setup and Configurations. This is a crucial step because it will enable us to access the necessary tools to implement the bonus into the payroll system. Under the Setup and Configurations menu, you'll find a category called Salary Components. This area is particularly important as it defines how different payments are categorized within your payroll system. Now, within Salary Components, you'll notice an option labeled Earnings. Click on this option to proceed. Once you're on the Earnings page, you'll be looking to add a new type of earning, which will be your bonus. To do this, locate the button that says Plus Add Earnings. Clicking this button will allow us to specify and customize this new earnings component according to your requirements. The next step involves filling in the details for your bonus. This part requires a bit more attention, as you'll need to be clear and precise to avoid any confusion when the bonus is applied. First, you'll provide a name for this bonus. This is just a label, but it's important to make sure it's easily identifiable for anyone who may view your payroll configuration. Next, describe the bonus in the description field. This is an excellent way to clarify the conditions or specific rules associated with this bonus. Now, moving on to the Type section, this might require some input from your payroll policies. Typically, you'll select whether this bonus is recurring or one-time. It's essential to align this with how your organization handles bonuses. Also, don't forget to define any calculation methods if applicable. This could be a fixed amount or a percentage of salary, depending on your compensation structure. After you've entered all the necessary details, take a moment to review what you've input. Make sure everything accurately reflects the bonus structure you wish to implement. Accuracy at this stage is crucial as it impacts how payments are processed and reported. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, proceed to save your new bonus component. By doing this, the bonus will become an integrated part of your Zoho payroll system, ensuring that it can be applied appropriately when processing payroll. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a bonus to your Zoho payroll, making sure your employees receive their additional compensation seamlessly and efficiently. Remember, a little careful setup goes a long way in ensuring your payroll operations run smoothly and accurately. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.